Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now this video was going to be a little bit different to how it's turned out. So my plan was to show you this product and to pour a few drills onto the desk here and show it you picking them up. Now because I am the clumsiest person ever, and this is why this product is so good for me, as I was about to pick the tray up, I dropped it and I spilt them everywhere. So it wasn't supposed to go like this, and they have ended up over the whole desk, even on my trousers. So I'm going to use this to clean up my actual mess. So I'll just tell you about the product to start with, and then I'll show it you. I really hope it works because I have made a huge mess. So this is the Bead Spill Saver, and this is from a company called Pretty Neat Creative. It's one of many designs. They do a lot of different designs, but it basically it sucks up spilt beads, drills, diamonds. It will be a lifesaver for me if this works, because as you can see, the mess I've made, this is the usual state of my diamond painting desk. I'm not actually on my diamond painting desk at the moment, because I've got my canvas on it that I'm working on, and I didn't want to get the drill stuck to the adhesive, because that's no amount of hoovering is going to get them off. You're actually going to have to pick them off because it's a double-sided tape. So I didn't want to ruin my canvas trying to show you this. So I'm on the upstairs desk, actually where Paul's computer is, and I've spilt them all over his keyboard. So I'm hoping this works, because I'm going to have to use this to get them out the keyboard. So yeah, so like I said, I did show the unboxing of this on the first video I did, which I will link up here for you guys, and I will link it down below and at the end of the video as well. But it's a fab little product. It's made of durable plastic. You twist the top off to put your batteries in. It requires 2 AA batteries, and then you twist the middle to access the compartment where the drills get sucked into. Mine is the pink kitty cat one, because I love pink and I love kitty cats, but they had quite a few different designs. It does retail about £22, I believe. I did convert it from dollars. But again, all the information and more details, I go into it on the unboxing video. So on here we have these little bristles when it wants to focus, and this is where the drills get sucked into. So these just help collect the drills to bring them into the middle. It has vents on either side for the fans running, and the on-off switches at the side here. So I have put the batteries in now, and I'm hoping this works, otherwise I'm in trouble. So I am going to just switch it on. It might be quite noisy. I did obviously click it on and off early just to check that the batteries were working, because the first 2 batteries I put in didn't work. But I've not actually tried it long term or on any drills yet. So we're going to see if this works. Are you ready? So it has got a little on-off switch here, so it says on and off. So we're just going to click it to on, and just so it definitely works. Thank goodness. Now I do still have some beads, like I said, on the keyboard up here, and a few that have scattered over here from where I dropped everything. So Obviously you can't see that bit, so I'm going to use this to clean up all this mess before Paul sees it, and off camera. So, but this is fab. So what I'm going to show you is, this is my tray that I dropped. So all you do is, when you've done the hoovering up part, and as you can see, they're quite secure in there, they're not dropping out at all. So once they're in, they're in. So obviously when you're opening it, make sure you're quite careful, because if you're like me and clumsy, you open it up too quick and they might fall out. So I'm going to just unclip this. And there we are. So they're all in there, look. And that's where they get collected. So I'm just going to pour them back into here without spilling them everywhere again. So yeah, it's a fab little product. It definitely works. And this is going to save me a lot of stress, because like I said before, and I've said on a few of my videos, I do spill mine everywhere. So sometimes a couple get caught just in the little bit there. So make sure you click that bottom bit into place properly, because if you don't, I can imagine them going everywhere. So yep, it definitely works. Fab little product. This is going to stay by my side all the time, because this will be needed on a regular basis. So yeah, I hope you like this little video. Like I said, it was only a short one, but the full details are on the unboxing video. I did an introduction to me video, followed by the unboxing of this. So I will, like I said, I will link it to this video if you want any more details on it. But yep, it works fab and it's cute. It's a great little accessory to have, and it's a good size as well, so you can obviously pick up quite a few beads in the bottom of there. But it's really lightweight as well, so it's handy to be able to take places. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. Any questions, please pop them in the comments box, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.